So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit or mag-change ng email address sa ating Canva app. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Canva account or yung ating Canva app. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage ng Canva, itap nyo lang yung horizontal lines na nandito sa upper left corner. And then, dito naman guys, itap nyo lang yung inyong profile name or yung inyong profile. So, ayan guys, dito sa ating account, itap nyo lang dito yung settings. And ayan guys, dito sa ating settings ng profile, hanapin nyo lang yung email address and then dito sa right side nyo is may edit. Tap nyo lang yung edit para mapalitan natin yung ating email address. So, may nag-send na OTP code dun sa ating lumang email address. So, i-check nyo guys yung code para yun yung ilalagay natin dito. So, ayan guys, nag-auto-verify na siya. And dito, pwede na natin palitan yung email address. So, palitan lang natin siya guys. So, after nyo may lagay yung inyong bagong email address, itap nyo lang yung save button para ma-save. And ayan guys, nakapagpilit na tayo ng email address dito sa ating Canva. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpalit ng email address sa ating Canva app. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.